Shadows, my old friend, I've come to weld with you again. In the glow where fire breathes, dreams are born in iron's heat, and the sparks that fall from broken hands still remain inside. The sound of steel. Smoke, I walk alone. Echoes hum through flesh and bone. Every strike a heartbeat sound in this forge where faith is found, and the rhythm of the hammer's ring starts to sing into the sound stand. Ghosts of makers, tool in hand. They built their dreams from rust and dust, believed in fire, believed in trust, and the silence breaks with every seam. Every dream is carved in sound of steel. Again, and all the wheels begin to turn. I see my story in the gleam, a ghost of smoke, a fading dream. The final echo drifts through field I kneel to the sound of Am I